तो कैसे हो आप? क्लैश की दुनिया में आपका स्वागत है।
Welcome friends to our single troop type army series. Today we are attacking with the full army of witches. I have cooked all the witches in my army camp and we will be farming and looting with full army of witches. Let's see how much the single troop of witch gives us success on their base and how much loot we get. So before I begin my attack friends, few things you must remember that witches should be covered from giant bombs because witches have in generally less hit points, so you have to keep your witches safe from the giant bombs. Use some heal spells over giant bombs, and in the front you have to use your wall raker and your heroes, the warden, to make your troops immune. And as usually you have to select the weak point of the base from where your troops might get very fast to the town hall. So friends, let's start from the right side corner, and we must make the eagle artillery, we must try to distract the eagle artillery, so keep an eye over eagle artillery also. Let's deploy some witches to distract the eagle artillery. The skeletons will make the eagle artillery distract when we will use the full army of witches. The skeletons and the will make the eagle artillery distract. So I have deployed the warden behind to cover my witches. Let's use a rage spell at start, rage spell at the center. Let's use king ability, queen's ability, freeze spell on the eagle artillery, freeze spell on the hidden Tesla, warden's ability, heal spell over the witches, rage spell to speed up, and poison spell at the center. Luckily their clan castle doesn't have any troops, so our witches are being more effective now. See friends, how it's a very spectacular attack to see with the witches, because the skeletons are moving so fast and the witches are covering from the behind. So friends, let's see how much the witches cover on this third attack. So 50% 1 star has been succeeded. Now the witches are moving from the left side. We got many witches left. Maybe it not be a 2 star, but we will cover maximum base and maximum loot using witches. This is the basic idea for this series, getting maximum loot and maximum coverage of the base. So friends, this was our 54% 1 star and we got a good loot, not a big loot but a good loot. So friends, this was our third attack with full army of witches. So friends, let's start our second attack with using full army of witches. The episode of single troop attacks, this time we will be using full witches in our attacks. Let's start our second attack. I will be using full army of witches. Let's see how much success we get using full army of witches. So friends, this is the base we have got, and this base has got a very beautiful loot here. So friends, let's start our attack. 22 witches, heroes and wall raker to clear the wall, 2 heals and 3 rage spell, 2 free spell, and some 8 wall breakers to clear up the initial walls. So friends, let's start our attack. Wall breaker from the corner, king and queen behind the wall breaker, and my wall breakers, my grand warden, 2 rage spell to speed up the things, freeze spell to freeze the eagle artillery, warden's ability, barbarian king's rage ability, 1 freeze spell. Let's use rage spell here, queen's ability, poison spell at the center, and 1 heal spell at the center. So by now we have covered very good amount. So by now we have covered some 50% 2 stars fixed on this base friends. So see the attack with full army of witches. Let's see how the witches and the skeletons continue their attack. So warden is behind, the warden's aura is healing the witches. We still got some bunch of witches here. So it's a very beautiful attack, and it's a very splendid attack to see with witches and skeletons. It's a treat to the eye. So by 60% and 2-star friends. So our warden is attacking the last gold storage here. So this was our second attack with full army of witches. We could have even 2-starred it, 3-starred it. Okay friends, welcome Clash Warriors, welcome to another episode of Clash Ki Duniya. Today we are going to attack with full witches army. I have cooked all the witches in my army camp, and this will be another episode for the series of single troop attacks using witches, or single troop. This time we are using witches. In the first troop series we have used all the ballers army. Now we are using witches here. So friends, before we start our attack, I will let you know that the witches are having at level 5 and they are having the hit points of like 480. So an archer tower of level 15 with a damage per second of 104 can, like, the witch can stand like 4 shots of the archer tower. So these are the some tips and hints you must remember while using any troop. So witches with 408 hit points may stand 4 shots of the archer tower at level 15 for Town Hall 12. So friends, let's find our first match for our witches series. Let's find friends. So friend, this is the base we have found, Town Hall 12 with Eagle Artillery at center. I am using 22 witches, all max level, and some 8 wall breakers just to clear up the break the walls to make our witches to move inside. Let's see how much the inside the clan castle, also siege barracks also I am using 3 witches. So it's in all total a totally witch attack. So let's start friends. So I have cleared the starting wall here. I have deployed my barbarian king and behind the queen, and let's deploy the some witches to distract the eagle artillery. Now here goes my wall breaker, grand warden at the center, all the witches moving. So I have used my raid spell. The witches at level 5 are deploying 14 skeletons. So I have used my grand warden's ability. Now I am using again my raid spell here, heal spell, freeze spell on the town hall, freeze spell on the eagle artillery, queen's ability, king's ability, one raid spell at the center. See friends how the witches and the skeletons are moving so fast on this base. Now one poison spell we have left with. Let's see if any their skeletons or king queen are remain to use our poison spell. So let's use the poison spell before any trap. So friends, see by now 64% and so many skeletons are still moving ahead. So the witches are deploying some 14 skeletons. Each witch is deploying 14 skeletons, and skeletons are moving at double speed than the witches. So see how friends the distractions from the skeletons are making the defenses so much in panic. So friends, by now 82% and still some 8 witches or 10 witches are remaining. Our warden is also there, so the attack is almost very good. Oh, and our warden is pointing their inferno tower now. So I think it can be 100% friends. So total base has been covered with all the witches. The might of witches and the numbers of skeletons have made the base fail. So friends, 100% for our first attack. That was a very commanding attack. So I hope you liked the first attack with full army of witches. Thank you friends.